Hey guys, Sarah here. Little Cruz here, per usual. Oh, I know, you just want to be part of this so bad. Want to say hi? Okay, everybody heard you. Okay, okay. Welcome back to my channel. Today we're going to be opening up our Sephora Play for April 2019. If you did not know, this box is $10 a month. You get 5 deluxe makeup, skincare, hair care products, all that good stuff. And then you also get 50 beauty insider points to add to your Sephora account. As always, if I don't know something is cruelty free at the time of filming, I always do the research afterwards and I put that in the description box down below if you do care about that. Also, right now I do have a giveaway going on my channel. It goes through April 30th, so I will link that right up there if you want to get in on that. Let's just go ahead and open this up. I will say, this is my box that I get that I have the worst luck with cruelty-free items. That's not a scientific fact, that's just what I feel. So yeah, let's see. So that's what it looks like when you open it up. This little card right here will have the theme of the month, which is Sephora Bingo. Okay. And then on the back, it'll have everything that we're getting in here, but let's not peek at that too much. Okay, one thing I'm noticing different right away is that the bag is pink this month. It's been red, so this is the first time it's pink now. So let's just go ahead and see what I can pull out. Okay, so the first thing I am pulling out is from Verb. Here's that. I don't know what this is. Must be shampoo and conditioner. So yeah, shampoo and conditioner. I have never heard of this brand, so I don't know anything about them. It does say that there's no parabens, no gluten, no sulfates, all that stuff. But it does not say they are cruelty free, so don't know. Not a fan of these things. I mean, who wants to carry this around with them? I just hate foil packets. So, I don't know. I don't know what I'm gonna do with this. There's that. Okay, so the next thing I'm pulling out is from Clinique. This is the Dramatically Different Moisturizing Lotion. So yeah, look, it's a face lotion for a very dry to dry combination skin, which I do have dry skin, but Clinique is not cruelty free, so I won't be using this. I'll probably just toss this into a giveaway. There's that. Okay, so the next thing I am pulling out is from Mercier. This is the Foundation Primer Radiance. You know, I don't think I've ever tried anything from this brand. I don't think so, not that I can remember. So it says it works for all skin types and it's illuminating. I don't know how this can work for all skin types, but let's take a look. Okay, so it is a little bit tinted. It might look white on camera, but it is like a little bit tinted. It smells a little strange, but not bad. I don't know why I'm sniffing primer. Let's go ahead and see. Okay, so it definitely is illuminating. I'm not sure if you can see the shine on my hand there, but it is a little bit illuminating. Just from first impressions, I would say this is for people without oily skin. Because it feels really, really moisturizing. So if you have a problem with oil, I'm not sure if this would be great for you, but that's just my first impression. It just feels very, very moisturizing. So there's that. Definitely will try this out. I have dry skin, so excited to give this a try. Okay. So the next thing I am pulling out is from Sephora. This is the Triple Action Cleansing Water. So it's a micellar water with matcha green tea extract. There's that. Sephora brand is not cruelty free, so won't be using this. I'm personally not even a huge fan of micellar water. It's just not my thing. I don't know. I just use soap and water. This isn't my jam, but some people do love it. Some people use it, just not me. So that will probably just be going into a giveaway. Okay, so the next thing I am pulling out is from Farmacy, right there. This is a AHA, don't know what that stands for, Resurfacing Night Cream. It's called Honeymoon Glow. Oh, I get it. It says no wetting required. I'm like, why does it say that? Because it's called Honeymoon Glow. All right, let's see what this is. I don't like the way it smells, honestly. It's not that it smells bad, it just doesn't smell like skincare. Does that make sense? Let's see. So it says it's an exfoliating night serum that resurfaces skin and reduces uneven skin tone and dullness. I definitely will try it. I mean, the sample's small enough I could probably just use it in a couple days, so I'll give it a try. I don't think I'll see any results in that short of time, but there we go, got that. All right, so the last thing I have in here is from Urban Decay. This is the Perversion Volumizing Mascara. There's that. I've tried a couple things from Urban Decay, but I've never tried a mascara, so kind of interested to give this a try. Urban Decay is cruelty-free, so that's always good. Let's see. Bigger, blacker, badder. That's what it says. Okay, so yeah, this is definitely the sort of wand that I'm drawn to, that big fluffy wand that's gonna volumize your lashes. So I definitely will try this. I wear mascara every day, so I definitely will give this a whirl. But yeah, that's everything for this box. I'm actually impressed that I have 3 things that I know for sure are cruelty-free, because normally with this box, like, I'm lucky if I get 2. So 3 is good for this box, in my opinion. And they're all things I'm not mad about any of them. Here's the 2 non-cruelty-free items, and then the beauty bonus, I guess this month, is this stuff that I don't know anything about, so I'll have to look into that. But I'd love to know what you guys think of this box. Do you think this is worth $10 a month? I think it is. I mean, even just for a sample of this is probably it's $10, so. But yeah, if you guys like this video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. And if you want to see more videos like this from me, more unboxings, all that good stuff, go ahead and hit that subscribe button right down below. Don't forget about the giveaway I have going on right now. Get in on that before it ends, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye, guys.